which was already struggling since 2022, is facing fresh stress due to the tariffs imposed by President Trump. Santia Gora travelled to Surat, India's diamond hub. She reports that a fall in exports on account of tariffs are hurting diamond workers across the value chain. Take a look.
This is 21-year-old Chotu Kumar. We met him in Surat's Katagram area, well known as a diamond hub where the precious stones are sorted, cut and polished. Originally from Kanpur, Chotu came to Surat at the age of 13 and worked as a diamond sorter. He earned up to 28,000 rupees a month. Since August, however, work has dried up. He tried switching to working with lab-grown diamonds, but the pay, he says, is a fraction of what he used to earn.
मिलेगा बोल रहे हैं, होगा काम होगा, बैठो और क्या है। इधर कारखाने में बदलता हूँ तो फिर काम भी नहीं होता है, उधर से जाता हूँ तो उधर भी नहीं होता है। हीरा हीरा आता था तो काम हो जाता था, अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा सीवीडी का हीरा आता है, वो चलता भी नहीं है और पूरा मेहनत पूरा थक जाता है शरीर शाम को।
हीरे में आपको पैसा भी कम मिलता होगा?
पैसा देता है पर अरे उसे 13-14 रुपये देता है, पर उसमें शाम तक शरीर को ऐसा तैसा हो जाता है। फिर रूम भाड़ा भी उसमें भरना पड़ता है, 4,000 रूम भाड़ा है।
As we spoke to Chotu, several other diamond workers gathered and they all had similar stories.
दिवाली के बाद हमारा जो जॉब वर्क था उसमें जो मजदूरी दी जाती थी, कल ही हमारा भाव कम कर दिया और टाइम तो हमको फुल भरवा रहे हैं।
पहले कितना कमा रहे थे, अभी कितना कमा रहे हैं?
मान लो जो कमाई था उसमें से हम 40% का हम डिफरेंट पड़ गया।
रूम भाड़ा नहीं निकलता, काम पूरा नहीं था, आखत जाता આવતા रूम भाड़ा नहीं, खर्च ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए, પગાર નહીં પૂરતા મળતા, આખો દી હીરા ઘસવી તો 300-400 ના કામ થાય, એમાં શું આપણે મોંઘવારીમાં થાય?
नहीं होता काम नहीं होता, ग्राहक नहीं आता ना।
A big reason for this dramatic slowdown is the steep tariffs imposed by the US on Indian diamonds. The US was India's largest export market for diamonds. According to the Indian government, cut and polished diamond exports to the US stood at $5,926 million in 2023 and $4,883 million in 2024. This dropped sharply to $2,422 million as of September 2025. Experts estimate that in Surat alone, over 1.5 lakh diamond workers have lost their jobs so far since the tariffs were imposed. Many others are working at sharply reduced incomes.
अगर वर्कर का देखें तो अभी छोटी छोटी जो कंपनियां हैं वो मेरे हिसाब से 15 to 20% अभी बंद हो गई है, तो उसके जो वर्कर है उसको अभी जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है क्योंकि कोई अपना काम बढ़ाना नहीं चाहता, जो है उतना भी वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पा रहा है। तो मेरे ख्याल से 10 to 15% वर्कर अभी जॉबलेस हो गए हैं और अभी दिख नहीं रहा है कि आगे जाके कब अपना हमारा बिजनेस जो है वो सर्वाइव कर पाएगा।
Exporters are looking for solutions desperately. Many hope the government will lend a hand. Exporters of lab-grown diamonds say entering new export destinations has helped them stay afloat. However, these diamonds come with much lower margins. This puts pressure on operations which trickles down the supply chain. Like many other sectors, India's diamond industry, a large chunk of which is housed in Surat, hopes that an India-US deal will fructify sooner rather than later, giving the entire industry some much-needed relief. In Surat, with camera person Ajay Dabulkar, this is Santia for CNBC TV 18.
Well, a sector that is reeling under the impact of Trump's tariffs. With that, it is time for us to wrap up this edition of Business 360. The news will continue right after this short break. Stay tuned. We're back in a moment on CNBC TV 18.